Hi, I'm Chauncey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an animated walk cycle in Flash. So let's get started by getting some reference. Just search for walk cycle reference on Google Images and see what pops up. This is good, so just save that out to the desktop and then pop open Flash and import that image to the stage. Okay, now make a new layer. And over the top, you want to trace each of these little guys out in their poses. So, okay, there we go. Then you just want to throw away the reference layer and you're left with this walk cycle. Next we're going to want to isolate this onto each of the different, or we're going to make this animated symbol. Okay, so I'm going to select this first one to say convert to symbol. I'm going to call him walk. Okay, and then I'm going to go through and select each of these guys and go cut and then enter the symbol. Now let's give it some more frames. Okay, and you're going to want to paste it into the center. You know, like for example, grab him here and go cut and then go paste in center for each of these frames within the symbol. And the last one, cut and then enter the symbol and paste in center. Now let's see what happens. There we go. There he is. And there's the walk cycle. Okay. Now what we can do is we can make a background. And let's make him walk across the street, walk across the screen. Okay, let's see how that works. Nice. And there you have it. I hope you learned something.